Hello, everybody. My name is Nathan Eikenseer here for JTC 301. And we're going to go into the second discussion here. Let's get started. All right, today we're going to be focusing on the challenging message. A message I had to write for one of my jobs was for Olive Garden. And it was when I had to leave for college on a short notice. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to make it back to college because of financial reasons, but I ended up making it. Unfortunately, that meant I had to give the Olive Garden a much shorter notice than 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and look at that letter that I made. It was pretty rushed because I was dealing with moving back to Colorado. I lived in California at the time. So let's go ahead and take a look at that letter. All right, and we could see here that I generally greeted the Olive Garden management and told them that my last shift was going to have to be in less than a week. And told them that I found out yesterday that I will not be able to stay there, and offered my availability during winter break and pretty much left it at that. All right, and let's go back to the presentation here. All right, and let's go ahead and analyze this message. I feel like the short-term goals were accomplished as I was able to acknowledge that I was leaving. It was a very basic, direct message that they were able to understand. But at the same time, I feel like I was lacking in long-term goals. They were definitely less successful because the rhetoric I used was very much lacking in, saving face. I feel like keeping my professional status with the company was kind of lacking. And it had a lot to do with the rhetoric I used and didn't use. And we'll kind of go into that in the next slide. What would I do differently? I would make sure to maintain a better expressive order. Maybe explain, I'm going back to Colorado for school. I am sorry it's at a lot of a, very short notice. I would also make sure to address all parties, whether that be the team leads and the management. I just kind of went with the broad Olive Garden management. I feel like this would have all helped to maintain a better professional relationship. Just keeping that expressive order. It was kind of hard to show myself through that because I was very much in a rush. I do like to draw, so as you saw, there was that little drawing at the bottom. But I feel like just a mix of things with communication, especially about the situation, and maintaining that relationship directly would have helped possibly get that job back when I was in the area for winter break. All right. Thank you all very much, and have a great day.